And have you seen all those videos that Honey Singh produces? They're so well produced.
Yeah, I mean, see, ultimately, I think what Honey Singh has done, and this, I don't know whether Manal, you'll agree with me or not.
Munni badnaam hui, ye disco chali, wo disco chali. So they all are the same, man. We just can't hear Honey Singh because, oh, he's the only one who is doing this.
Because he's a face.
Because he's a face.
Bollywood
because he
gets a
actually
license.
represents that. In some way, we have put him there that, okay, this guy represents all the, dick chick songs in the Bollywood. But that's not true. If I ask you this, like, he has actually... See, I don't like his music as well. But I don't hate his music also.
According to me, I think it's the age of hip hop and rap and stuff. So in Hollywood, it's Eminem, it's Wiz Khalifa and stuff. Here in India, so it's Honey Singh. So that's what it is. It's the age of rap for now. So teenagers like the raps by Honey Singh, no matter what types of words he uses in it, what type of rhythm, whatever it is. But people just like it. So that's it. I love him too. I'm a fan of him.
Have you ever found it vulgar? Are you embarrassed to listen to Honey Singh in front of your parents?
I like Honey Singh too, and I don't feel shy playing a Honey Singh song, no matter either am I in the house.
They're the same people who go to a club and would dance on these songs, and go on Twitter or Facebook and like, oh man, Honey Singh is like so tack. Like that. These are the same people who actually dance on his songs. There is a reason that music works. That, like Dizzy said, he's a 15-year-old, he's saying it's the age of rap. Oh, we're gonna sound like 90s. It is not going to work out, man.
The beat's taken over.
Yes, it has.
It's all about beats per minute, these BPM these days, Manal, and
A lot of girls will say, I don't know, but I like Honey Singh, because there's this inherent defensiveness that comes because people everywhere are saying, oh no, Honey Singh's lyrics are crass, Honey Singh's, anti-women, or he's very sexist. That's not actually true. He's making music. That music is saying things. It says different things to different people. People are enjoying his music. That's all that matters. So many times you're listening to songs.
But I mean, we spoke about the beat and spoke about how electronic music has taken over.
Which is what
Party all night.
Party all night. Like with 4 bottle vodka, can't you see?
The way he's portraying women in the song, it's like women are just so loose. They just, what matters is what they look like. And all his songs are just so sexist.
But,
I mean, how can you not see that?
I mean, that's what these guys have also been saying, that hasn't that come across? I mean, you take other Bollywood numbers, for example. I mean, he quoted the example of Munni Badnaam.
Those movies are really appreciated because they're art. I don't even want to get into the details of some of those Japanese that I've seen. Okay, but that's the whole point. They're making content. Let the audience decide. You don't like it, don't like it. But don't be like, oh, I hate Honey Singh. I hate what's happening.
When
this
a
should
song
not
like
happen.
Balatkari comes along, I mean, we lived in a charged time where
yes.
media is often is often accused of influencing people in negative ways. And a song like Balatkari,
And there was a song by Bodhi Tree, yaar.